In the heart of the Bible, nestled between Psalms and Ecclesiastes, lies the Book of Proverbs. This ancient text, primarily penned by King Solomon, serves as a compass for moral and ethical conduct. It's a treasure trove of wisdom, offering timeless truths and practical advice for life. Today we delve into the first chapter of Proverbs, exploring the pearls of wisdom it contains. Our journey begins with the opening verses, which lay the foundation for the entire book. The first proverb states, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction." This proverb invites us to approach life with humility, recognizing that true wisdom comes from a deep respect for the divine. It warns against the folly of arrogance, emphasizing the importance of lifelong learning. Moving on, we encounter a proverb that highlights the value of good counsel. "My son, hear the instruction of thy father, and forsake not the law of thy mother." Here, the wisdom of elders is held in high regard. The proverb encourages us to listen to those who have tread the path before us, absorbing their wisdom and learning from their experiences. Further along, we find a proverb warning against the allure of ill-gotten gains. "My son, if sinners entice thee, consent thou not." This proverb underscores the importance of integrity and moral fortitude. It cautions us to resist the temptation of easy rewards that come at the expense of our values. As we continue, we encounter a proverb that paints a vivid picture of the consequences of ignoring wisdom. "Because I have called, and ye refused, I have stretched out my hand, and no man regarded." This proverb personifies wisdom as a patient teacher, ignored by those who choose to disregard the lessons she offers. It serves as a stark reminder that wisdom, though freely available, can be missed by those who close their ears to its call. As we reach the end of the chapter, we find a proverb that provides comfort and hope. "But whoso hearkeneth unto me shall dwell safely, and shall be quiet from fear of evil." This proverb reassures us that wisdom, when heeded, provides a refuge from harm and a shield against fear. In summary, the first chapter of Proverbs invites us to live with humility, listen to wise counsel, stay firm in our values, heed the call of wisdom, and find solace in its teachings. It paints a picture of wisdom as a path that, though sometimes challenging, ultimately leads to a life of peace and safety. So as we navigate the complexities of life, may these timeless truths guide our steps and illuminate our path, reminding us that true wisdom is not merely about acquiring knowledge, but about shaping our character and guiding our actions.